It's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Hindi ko alam na may anak ako sa ex-girlfriend ko. First of all, I want to thank you for reading my secret file, December 5, 2018 to be exact. For those who don't know me, I'm Carlo. Ako yung lalaking may asawa na at may kambal na anak. Then, I found out that I have a kid with my ex-girlfriend. Masasabi kong your program was indeed a great help. You were indeed a great help. A lot of things, good and bad, happened during those times. But now, everything's fine. Though not totally, but I'm at peace. January 2019. Sinabi ko sa asawa kong si Karen yung tungkol kay Donna, my ex-girlfriend, at yung anak namin. The night after my birthday party. I was drunk that time, so I have the courage to tell her everything. Of course, she was shocked and she cried a lot. Nakita ko yung pain sa mga mata niya. Inamin ko lahat. Tapos nag-flashback lahat sa akin. Kasi first time na nasaktan ko siya was when I had a child with someone she knew. She was so devastated then that she almost committed suicide. That was when we broke up and she moved to US. She moved on, and ako din. She had relationships, and so was I. 6 years wala kaming communication at all. Not until nagkaroon ng occasion kung saan kami nagkita ulit. Pakiramdam ko noon, first time naming makita ang isa't isa. Niligawan ko siya ulit. Matagal. Minsan, pupunta ako sa kanila kasama yung anak ko. Kasi during weekends, nasa akin siya. And I don't know, pero I think it helped naman kasi sinagot niya ako ulit. Lagi kong sinasabi before kay Karen how sorry I am that I cheated on her before. Others may see na my daughter was a mistake from my past. But if that's the case, she will always be the most beautiful mistake that I made. So basically, as of the moment, meron akong anak sa 3 iba't ibang babae. But I don't regret anything that happened before. But in my case with Donna, hindi ko alam if my wife will forgive me. Sobra yung takot ko nun kung mawala siya. She's not talking to me for months. Even my family and her family got mad. Well, kasalanan ko naman, alam ko. Pero nagdasal lang ako. Dasal ako ng dasal, araw-araw. Pinapakiusapan si Lord na mahil kaming lahat. Thankful ako that we have a spiritual advisor na friend naming mag-asawa. And he helps us a lot para ma-save yung relationship namin. Yes, I am not perfect. I caused her pain a lot. And maybe I don't deserve to be forgiven. I never thought that unconditional love only comes from my parents. But my wife proves me wrong. One night, my wife gave me a letter. Yun yung vow niya during our wedding. Ang nakalagay, people search their whole life looking for the reason why they are here. You are my reason. Over the years, so many things changed. We've grown into different people, and our dreams changed. But one thing remains constant, and that is my love for you. I promise to love you when things are not being perfect and mistakes are made. To love you at your lowest and when you are lost. I will stand by you no matter how challenging or difficult things may be. You are a part of everything I do, think, and feel. And with you by my side, I believe that anything is possible. Thank you for the miracle of you. And on the last part, she said, we're a team. And I got you. I love you, Mr. Imperfect. After reading that, I felt so relieved. And that night was one of the best nights of my life. I may have doubts before we got married, but I am the best version of myself ever since I married her. And I cannot thank her enough for always choosing me, choosing us. Well, a great marriage is a union between two great lovers. The only thing that bothers me now is my child. Itago natin siya sa pangalang Ian. Kasi ayaw talaga ni Donna na kilalanin ako ng bata. I tried everything. There were times that I want to give up. Pero si Karen, ang asawa ko, will always tell me that you don't give up on a family. You don't give up on family. Not now, not ever. So I just hope na eventually, my ex-girlfriend will forgive me. At wag na sana niyang idama yung anak namin sa galit niya sa akin. Alam naman niya na tanggap ng wife ko at ng family ko, si Ian. So sana wag niyang ipagkait yun sa bata. Because our child deserves the right to know. And my child deserves more. Kung siya gusto niyang mabuhay sa galit, sana wag naman pati ang anak ko. I want my child to grow up loved, and ayokong lumaki siyang parang may kulang. So hopefully, and I'm praying that she'll find forgiveness in her heart. Karen is my undeniable miracle. Because in her, I found a love that I don't think I deserve. I'm just so thankful that I found her. One thing I can assure my wife is that I will always choose her, even when in doubt. No matter what the world throws at us, still I will choose her. I will choose her every day of my life. Again, ako si Carlo, and this is my secret vow.
Always your number one FM radio station. Love Radio.
Kabisyo, nakarelate ka ba sa secret file na binasa ko? Kung nakarelate ka, mag-subscribe ka na dito sa aming YouTube channel at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na episodes ng DJ Raqi Secret File.